Oh my God. Okay. I'm ready. What is this live stream?
Stop yelling in the court, ma'am. You're in my courtroom right now, so yeah. So, all right, so slow down. We'll get started in just a second. Thank you.
All
I got to
right.
review the file.
Let's see. No, 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 because she will pull you. No.
She already
Gotta be-
pulled me 2 times.
All right, ma'am, is this one of the children in this case that's present with you?
Can you please go call Savannah for me, honey? Okay.
Okay, can we both take her on the left one?
You gotta call Savannah, please. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. All right, we're going to get started now. Turn on my video and start this matter. All right, court's on record, and this is Bell County Cause number 322,260-E. This is in the interest of Hannibal minor child, non-custodial party in this matter. We have listed as Michael Allen Scott. The CP is Vanessa Lopez, and the AP other party is Beverly Sorrell. Anyway, this matter is before the court on an amended petition to establish parent-child relationship. We've been under temporary since October of last year. So all parties have previously been noticed and served. So I'll ask the state for an open to tell the court what the state's requesting we do here today and whether or not we're looking at a final or a further temporary order. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. If possible, we'd like a final. This is a fairly, this case has been hanging out there for a while. The temporary order solely addressed the establish a paternity of the child. So at minimum, we're looking to set support. Support should be fairly straightforward, is both the non-custodial parties have inconsistent employment histories, have various shorter stints in jail, and basically we're asking for a minimum wage calculation to be set against both. So fairly
and one of the parties, and one of the parents is present and the other one is not, correct?
That is correct.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're on the record on the case. Go ahead and let the state call you as witnesses. The state's requesting me to make this a final order. We only went to paternity last time, but the state's asking me to set up custody, visiting child support at this point, and based child on because there's not a lot of data on the state's minimum wage presumption is that if you don't, if you're not disabled, then you could be employed at least making minimum wage of 40 hours a week. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and the state call you both as witnesses and make a determination of what everybody wants to try to do here today, and then do something. Then I'll make an order that I feel is in the best interest of the child going forward. So at this time, Lopez and Ms. Bell, could you both raise your right hands and let me get your under oath? Thank you. All right, both of you solemnly affirm your testimony you're gonna give here the truth, the whole truth, and that the truth will help you.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, you're both officially under oath. I'm going to go ahead and let the state call you both as witnesses, and we'll take it from there. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Glenn, you can call your first witness, please.
Thank you. I'd like to call Vanessa Lopez.
All right,
Yes.
Ms. Lopez, take your full name for the record.
Vanessa Jeanette Lopez.
All right, thank you, ma'am. The
Ms.
state may
Lopez.
proceed.
Thank you, Judge. What is the name of the child or children that we're here on?
Is it Sanaya Danielle Hannibal?
Okay, and how's that child being provided medical coverage?
I got her through the Medicaid.
Okay, so government medical. And who are the parents of that child?
Beverly Yvonne Spurl, Michael Allen Scott.
Okay, and you understand that the state is requesting that current support be set up based upon the minimum wage standard. You
Yes,
understand?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And it is of your understanding that, well, you're in agreement with that?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, and you're in agreement that any retroactive payments be set at that same minimum wage standard?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. And you would like some form of visitation to be set up for the child?
Yes, yes.
And,
Mom's always present with Sanaya Hannibal. So as far as going to school, meetings we have, Beverly Yvonne Sproul is always present.
okay. So you think a standard possession order would be in order in this case? There's no,
Yes.
okay, excellent. Um, at this time, I have no further questions for this witness at this time.
All right, ma'am, I'll be right here. I'll be right back to you in just a moment. Well, I'll go ahead and let the state call the next witness, please. You may proceed, Mr. Nguyen. Thank you.
State would like to call Beverly Sproul.
All right, Miss Miss Gruel, state your full name for the record, please, ma'am.
Beverly Yvonne Sproul.
All right, you may proceed, Mr. Nguyen. Thank you.
Ms. Sproul, did you hear everything the state has gotten in testimony so far?
Yeah,
Okay, are you generally in agreement with that we set the support based upon minimum wage?
that's fine.
Okay. Uh, and I presume you want a standard possession order to be able to see your child regularly?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
absolutely. And well, at this time, I have no further questions from this witness, Judge.
All right, ma'am. I'm looking at going ahead and making I'm sorry, ladies. I'm looking at going ahead and making Ms. Lopez the managing conservator with the right to decide domicile. I'm looking at going ahead and setting up child support on both parents based on the minimum wage presumption. Ms. Lopez, is Ms. Lopez seeking any retro or back child support, Mr. Green, that you know of from either party?
Yes, there would be a retroactive, and that support date would start on October 1st of 2023 for the father, and starting on February 1st of 2021 for the mother. And
All right.
Good.
All right. Well, the state is requesting what's called retroactive or back child support, also based on minimum wage. You need to run that amount by Ms. Burrell, but she understands what she's looking at. Obviously, the grandmother wants the back pay, so we'll go ahead and I'll see about setting it up. But please recall the mom and give her those numbers, please. Thank you.
okay, if you'll give the state just a moment so that I can calculate that, I will.
Yeah.
Is this only going to be on Beverly Sproul or is it going to be on Michael Scott too?
It's going to be on both of them, ma'am. But there's two different start dates for that.
Oh, okay, Your Honor. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Not a problem.
Here, if it's
Bubba.
permissible, I'll go off camera for a second. Thank you.
All right, ma'am, ladies, I'm gonna pause the recording. Mr. Williams got to go come up with those numbers, and we'll be right back. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
It'll just take a minute or two. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Come on, buddy. Come inside, Papa. It's too hot out here, sweetheart. When Grandma finishes, hey, when Grandma finishes, we'll put your swimming pool up, okay? Just give me 1 second, okay? 1 second, buddy.
What the fuck?
These kids don't understand. Oh my God. Grayson Lee Smith. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Don't take that on me, so you got love.
I'm back, Judge.
All right, we'll get back on the record. Ms. Lopez, Ms. Rule, the state's back, and we'll go ahead and get back on the record. All right, here we go. And recording is now as planned again, and you can proceed at this time, Mr. Gwynn. Thank you.
Thank you. And so the court knows those two respective payments came out for the father at $4,389 with repayments of 72 per month, and then due to the longer time period for the mother, that is 11,934 with repayments of $110. So at this time, the state would like to call Miss Beverly Spruill.
I'm here.
All right, just, state's come back with information concerning what the rent or back child support would be based on minimum wage, and he's going to go over that information with you and get your input. Thank you. You may proceed, Mr. Gwynn. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. So you understand that I set the retroactive time period starting after you were served, correct?
And that's what
The
What
date
day
you were
was
served.
it?
That would bring it to the first of the next following month, which would be February 1st of 2021.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and based on the minimum wage standard, that's going to come out to a total retroactive support of $11,934. And then when adjusted for the yearly interest on that, you would need to repay that at least $110 per month. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. And you were in agreement with that $110 a month payment?
Well, I don't have a choice, do I?
Oh, ma'am, yes, ma'am, you do. Here's the deal. $50 of that covers interest. The interest on that that is about $55
That's
a
fine.
month. All right, so
That's fine. I don't
we can
I don't
quit.
have to.
We can go ahead and make it 110. We can make it we can make it 75. We can make it 90. You know, it's not going to be that much of a difference, but it does do a little bit.
I
So
am
you're
the
okay
only
with
parent
110.
that's working, so I might as well pay.
All right then. All right then, man. Well, again, we're not trying to hurt you, but you know, but under the law, that's what the state's required to ask
That
for.
is what
So,
it is. I mean,
yes,
it's
ma'am.
I can't fight the system, right?
Well, that's like me saying, yeah, I really wish I didn't have to pay income tax. But guess what? Yeah, I like walking around free. All right, we're good. So, yes, ma'am. All right. So she's in agreement. Any other questions at this time, Mr. Gwynn?
State does not have any further questions. Thank you, Judge.
All right, again, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the order as we previously discussed. And Ms. Gwynn, we're gonna go ahead and add the retroactive child support with the repayment as the state just went over, and we're also going to get a retro father and other amount that the state's requesting on that. So at this time, is there anything else, Pharrell?
No.
All right, Ms. Lopez, anything else? Any questions, ma'am?
Thank you.
All right, then and Mr. Gwynn, I'm gonna go
I
ahead
bet
and
that's
order
not on the
pork
pole. That's what I
give
know.
that
I
to
bet they
Dad.
do.
I'm sorry, Judge. I could
I'll
not
go
hear
ahead.
you.
Ms. Pharrell,
What
we can still
happened?
hear you. I'm sorry. You need to, yeah, okay. You need to mute yourself then. Thank you. I'll go ahead and order the court cost goes 100% to the father. All right.
Court costs 100% to the father. Yes, Judge.
All right. May the parties be excused, or you need them back and break out to review the order, sir.
In this case, I will allow them to be excused, and just noting that y'all both should be paying attention to your emails. I will be sending that to you via DocuSign, hopefully within the next few hours.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Y'all both free to go, and you'll get a copy of the order. Thank you both very much. Everybody be safe out there, and we're off the record.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too now. Thank you, ladies.
Bye-bye.
Bye. right, whoever's up next, I'm looking at the number of folks left in breakout rooms. It doesn't seem like that. If I was looking to see whether or not I can go ahead and go to lunch and just grab something here, or what are we looking at as far as numbers and time frames are concerned. So I'm not sure, Mr. Welch or Mr. Diamond, can y'all give me some type of feedback on that, please?
Yes, Your Honor. So we only have one case left, but we're getting an agreed order, Your Honor. It's almost done. So I don't think we'll have to have any more hearings.
All right, then. I'll tell you what. I'll hang around and not try to shoot out the lunch. And don't worry, I'm kind of like you. I got a snack here, so I'll just I'll see what around just to make sure there's not a problem. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
You could have done this last week when the British Open was on television. I could have gone home and watched the Brits, but no. Oh well, don't worry. I'll take these days when I can get them. All right. Yes, sir. Mr. Gwen, you got something?
Oh, I'm assuming you were just informed that it looks like that was a final hearing that we have for today, or it's appearing that way so far.
Right. But I'm gonna hang around. I know y'all negotiating, so I want to make sure it doesn't fall apart. But I'll hang around until y'all say it's something until I can close this one down. If it doesn't take longer than another 30 minutes to an hour, okay?
Absolutely. Thank you, Judge.
Thank y'all. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Your Honor.